The home decoration interface is divided into two working areas, left and right. They are respectively the list of available modules and the display area of the module interface. Move the mouse over the added module on the right, and 4 operation buttons will be displayed. Clicking the Edit button on the left workspace will switch to the editing area of the current module. Just complete the configuration based on the situation of your store. Clicking on any module on the left will add it to the page layout on the right. At the same time, the left workspace will switch to module editing mode. Just complete the configuration based on the situation of your store.